Welcome to the world of outdoor adventure with the 2-unit ROTO MAPS. Designed to ignite the imagination and fuel endless hours of fun for kids, this innovative outdoor play equipment is a dream come true for active youngsters. Picture this: nestled within vibrant greenery stands the 2-unit ROTO MAPS, a colorful heaven for children to explore and conquer. At its heart lies the Roto Wave Slide, a thrilling descent into adventure in a lively shade of green that beckons children to take the plunge. To the left of the slide, the cliff climber awaits, a challenge waiting to be conquered. With its sturdy grips and textured surface, it's the perfect opportunity for young explorers to test their agility and reach new heights. On the right side of the slide, the two-seater swing beckons with promises of soaring through the air, laughter trailing behind. As children swing back and forth, they'll feel the wind in their hair and the joy of freedom. But the excitement doesn't end there. Behind this playground masterpiece, the monkey bar stands tall, inviting adventurers to traverse its horizontal ladder with skill and determination. It's a test of strength and coordination, rewarding those who dare to cross with a sense of accomplishment. And for moments of strategic play and friendly competition, the backside of the equipment features a classic X0 game, where children can engage in a battle of wits while enjoying the great outdoors. With the 2-unit ROTO MAPS, every day is an opportunity for exploration, creativity, and boundless fun. So, gather your young adventurers and let their imaginations run wild as they embark on unforgettable journeys right in your own backyard. Experience the magic of outdoor play with the 2-unit ROTO MAPS. Adventure awaits.